young lonely.
What's up guys, today I'm going to be going over my DIY jig storage box and unboxing the Ocean Cat jigs I just got in today. They're great jigs. They're the best bang for the buck compared to the other jigs out there on the market. You know, you spend like something dollars on jigs and you lose one, you might as well just cut a hole in your pocket. So here we go. So this is a dry storage box that I got from like 20 bucks. I got it on sale at Home Depot, believe it or not. So originally I wanted to go with ABS, and I did a really crappy job of doing it. It was supposed to sit in like that, so I decided to go with all PVC. So here's a planter box that I use to keep all the split rings and assist hooks, solid rings, and this guy even got a little compartment on top, and I'm able to pick it up easy. You know, it's something to carry around in. I got a Yankee Cap trip coming this May 12th. So this is actually specifically made for that trip. I can't wait to use it. So I'm gonna get like about, I'm gonna hold like about, I feel like I could hold another 20, so I'm probably gonna get like maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 in here. I think I'm gonna be losing a lot of jigs on that trip. So I just want to be ready to be, I just want to get ready to exchange them out, you know, once I pop them off and put another one easy like that. So I'm all ready to go. That's that. So it's pretty cool. Not like this one where you gotta Velcro and you can't even put a hole on the, you can't even put a hook on the bottom, you know. And this one only holds 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know. So this. So you ain't gotta tussle through all this stuff, you know, when you could just pop up and bam, pop up, grab a jig, go. And that's that. I think I'm gonna put a drain plug down here or something, so when I'm done at the end of the day, I can just pull out my planter box and just hose it, fill it up with water, put some salt away, whatever. Either fill it out or let it drain out, I don't know, but pretty much it'll be an easy, clean system rather than hosing each jig one by one or laying them out on the front and then put everything back in. I don't have to do nothing. I just spray, unplug, and then let it air dry out. So yeah, I'm thinking about putting that there. Maybe I'll put it back here. I don't know. And let's unbox this. Oh yeah. Yep. That's my Jeep. Mine broke, so I do a lot of kayak fishing, sticking it down those king's mouth with the jigs, you know, and them flapping around everywhere. This helps. That's that. 20-gram jig, 180. Yeah, these are all for the boat. Yankee Cat. Oh, this one's nice. I'm gonna try these out for easy switching out in and out. I like how they're thin. They should go down the water smoothly like that. And they gave me a shirt. Nice. Ocean Cat jig. Got a shirt to wear. Cool. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys posted on going offshore on the trip. Thanks for watching. Peace.
You motherfucker.